Welcome. In this video, we'll look at how to add evidence to your HSP1. From your dashboard, navigate to the My Passport and click the Evidence section. Here you'll find your evidence library, where you can upload certifications, work samples, credentials, and other supporting documents to verify your skills. Click Add Evidence. Choose the evidence type you'd like to upload. For this example, I'll be uploading a certification. Enter the title of your evidence and an optional description to provide additional context. If you'd like, upload a supporting file, or include an external link to your evidence. You can also provide additional information such as the issuing organization, credential ID, issue date, and expiry date where applicable. You can also link your evidence to the relevant skills you have added to your HSP1. Once you've completed the required fields, click Add Evidence. Your evidence will now appear in your evidence library.